In this video, I will show you how to turn off WhatsApp Business AI agent on your WhatsApp Business account. Let me show you how. Open up your WhatsApp Business. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Tools. The next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Proceed to Business Agent Meta. Click on that. And the next thing you want to do right here is to simply scroll down. Then go ahead and make sure you click on AI Responses. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Disconnect AI. Then here you go. All you have to do right here is to go ahead and click on Disconnect and Delete My AI. Then state the reason why you want to disconnect it right here. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the AI didn't do what I expected. Then go ahead and click on Submit. And you are done. By the time you go back to your WhatsApp, then you refresh, you'll find out that the AI agent is and you find out that the AI agent will no longer be available right here. So if I open any of my chats right here, you see that the AI agent is no longer right here. You can now start to respond to your customer directly without using the AI assistant. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.